back with another video, and I have the Gypsy Queen 2018 once again and again. Yes, I have another one of these, so let's get started. Okay, so let's take a look and see what we got. All of these packs. Second one. Oh, Ohtani. These are going for really great money. I mean, not too much, but like 20 bucks on eBay. This one, third one. I think I got 4 of those actually. Pretty cool. Looks like we got a logo swap or whatever we call them. Pretty cool. Alright, we're starting good. Fortune teller Carlos Correa. I think I got 2 of these now. Oh, we got Giancarlo. Tarot card. Okay. Uh-oh. Lucas Giolito. Number to what? 10? 4 out of 10? Looks like a red, or is it red or pink? Magenta. I don't know. Parallel. Cool. Come on, I need an Ohtani auto. Things selling like crazy, especially the Heritage. Get an Alcides Escobar. What is this? Missing team. Hey, Corey Seager. Okay, 2 more from the first column. Cody Bellinger. Alright, let's go into the second one. Oh, come on. Something good. Come on. Oh, get a redemption. Ozzy Albies autograph. Oh, wow. This is my first redemption. Wow, that's awesome. Shit. Oh, yeah. Awesome. I think this pretty much completes our regular Ace collection. Matt Rosario. Oh wow! Auto. Alex Verdugo, Dodgers. What? Ah, that's crazy. Dropped it. It's unnumbered, but still pretty cool. Wow, this is nice. Nice. Alright, let's see what's next. Roberto Osuna. Davis tarot card. Austin Hayes, rookie. Mike Trout. Okay, couple packs left. Well, at least I got an auto redemption and a pink parallel, whatever color that is. Aaron Judge. One more pack. Okay. See. Gerardo Parra. Blue, parallel 51 out of 250. Oh, nice ending. I'm really stoked. Like, man, who would have thought I would have got a freaking redemption from retail pack. Oh, this was pretty solid. I mean, yeah, pretty cool. We got Ohtani in there. I mean, what else do we want? Yeah, so I'm really happy about this break. Oh man, this is crazy. So this openings, I mean, they were crazy, that's for sure. Probably not as crazy as pulling an Ohtani auto or blue or red, whatever, or from Heritage, a negative card, or was it a black? I don't know. I've seen this weird one. It's like a black parallel, I believe, sent for a ton of money on eBay. Anywho, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later.